Welcome once again to another Time Value Money video. Now, the last video we did was problem number 8, and in that problem number 8 video, we looked at prepaying our mortgage at date 240, and basically just at date 240, paying off the remaining principal balance of our loan. And that was covered in detail in the last video, and the amount that we paid was $97,967.61 at date 240, along with the regular monthly payment required at date 240. After we paid this amount on top of the regular payment at date 240, our loan was fully paid off. Now, question number 9 is kind of very much related to that one. Number 9 says, we desire to prepay part of the same mortgage, a 360-month mortgage, $168,600, the annual interest rate 7.25%. And again, we desire to eliminate the last 10 years of scheduled mortgage payments, but we want to pay it off on the due date of our 18th payment. Okay? So what is the size of the principal reduction payment that we'd have to make at date 18? So in this case, the cash flow date line looks like this. We borrow $168,600 at date 0, and then we agree to pay off $1150.15. I'll drop the pennies. $1150.15. Then we go out here. Now in this problem, date 18, we're going to pay $1150.15. And then we want to keep making payments up to date 240 in the amount of $1150.15, so that at this point in time, the loan is paid off and we don't have to pay off 241 to 360 of the $1150.15 contractually required. So this problem is different in that we want to make a payment here at date 18 rather than, like we did in the last problem, here at date 240. Well, you can probably see this. The amount that we had to pay at date 240, right, when we did this, was $97,967 and 61 cents. 97,967, and that's the amount we had to pay. Well, this is a single dollar value, and we just want to know what we'd have to pay at date 18 instead of here. Well, it's easy. What interest factor do we use to move a single dollar value back in time? Answer, present value interest factor. How many periods do we want to go back in time? I'm going to go from here to here, so that's going to be 222 periods back in time. So the answer to this question will simply be to take the work we did in the last question, the answer for that work, $97,967.61, and move that back 222 periods. So we multiply this by a present value interest factor, where our R value is the same, 0.0060416667, and our N value now is 222. Why is it 222? Because 240, going back to date 18, is 222 periods. That's why. Okay? So this, just to make sure we get it, is 97,967.61 times 1 over 1.0060416667 raised to the 222nd power. And that is our answer. Kind of simple, huh? So at date 18, we would pay this amount, which ends up being $25,723.95. We pay this amount at date 18, right? We pay this amount right here. And then we keep on paying 1150.15 at 19 and 20, all the way to 240. And then when we make this last payment at date 240, then the loan is paid off. Now, just so you're clear, we don't have to make this payment anymore because we made this payment at date 18. And that's how that one works, and that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.